Hello, I am Manisha Balasubramanian. I hail from Arielu. Currently, I am doing my master's degree in informatics in Fachhochschule Schmalkalden University of Applied Computer Science in Germany. I came to know about Matala solution through one of my friend who suggested me, and we both applied together. I contacted Matala Solution for getting more information about the process of Germany application and what are the courses they teach and what will be the future scope and everything. So after contacting them, I got to know all these information and I got a very clear idea in what field I should choose and in what field I should go with. And then they gave me the list of documents I should prepare myself, and then I couriered them. They started the process very soon. They applied to many of the universities and I got updates. After the application process is done, within a month I got 3 offers from different universities and I have chosen the Schmalkalden University of Applied Computer Science. After choosing my university, we quickly started the visa process. With their guidance, I prepared all my documents for the visa and they helped me in booking a slot for the visa as well. Then finally, we reached to an interview date. Before 1 week, I had a mock interview with them. They helped me a lot in preparing the questions and answers for why you want to go to Germany and which course you want to study, why did you choose this course and which place you exactly gonna stay and what is your profile, what is your future plans and everything. So I was really prepared before going to my visa interview and I did my visa very well. After 28 days, I got a mail that my visa is approved. I was really happy and I really want to thank. When we come to a new country, we will be very much worried about the accommodation first. But it was very simple here. We applied to the student dormitory from the university websites, and if the students were not able to get the student dormitory, so they have an option where 2 to 3 students can together combined and they can take an apartment outside the universities, and this was also so safe here, and these processes are very simple, and for the international students it was very helpful and very useful. Finally, my overall experience with Matala solution is starting from the admission, applying for the universities, then status updates from the universities, then mock interview, visa interview, and after visa got approved, coming to Germany. From all this process, Matala solution helped me a lot. They guided me in each and every step. Also, while doing the process, they completed each process on the perfect timing without any delay. That is the only success goal for them. My main aim was to do a master's degree in Germany, and my aim got fulfilled through Matala solution. I recommend this Matala solution to all the students who really want to do their master's degree in Germany, because I rate them 5 out of 5. Not only since I came because of them, also they helped me a lot and guided me a lot to get into this university. I think I made a good choice of choosing this university, Fachhochschule Schmalkalden University of Applied Computer Science, because the second month in the Germany, I got the work student job within the university, where I was able to take care of my own accommodation and the living expenses. So after that, I started applying for many of the companies for the work student to really get a job experience, and finally I got one. From my second semester break, I started working in a company, and currently I'm going to do my master's degree also, completing my master thesis in one of the company, and I'm really happy about this place and this university. I really want to thank Matala Solution for making me to choose this university and to settle in Germany. I highly recommend Matala Solution for the students whomever want to do a master's degree in Germany.